What happens after I reset my ADT sensor?
Hey there! Welcome to this video where we'll discuss what happens after you reset your ADT sensor. ADT sensors are commonly used in security systems to detect movements, sounds, and other events. Resetting a sensor can be necessary in various situations, such as troubleshooting issues or reconfiguring your system. So let's dive in and explore what happens when you reset an ADT sensor.
Understanding sensor resetting.
When you reset an ADT sensor, you essentially restore it to its default settings or remove any previous configurations. This can be done through a specific reset procedure, which typically involves pressing and holding a button on the sensor for a certain duration. Resetting the sensor wipes out any customizations you may have made, such as changing the sensor's sensitivity or adjusting its connection settings.
Sensor reconfiguration.
After a sensor reset, you'll need to reconfigure it to integrate it back into your ADT security system. This involves a few steps to ensure the sensor is properly recognized and functions as intended. Firstly, you'll need to access your ADT system's control panel or mobile app and enter the sensor reconfiguration mode. From there, you can follow the instructions provided by ADT to pair the sensor with your system again. Keep in mind that you may need to physically bring the sensor close to the control panel or use specific commands to initiate the pairing process.
Verifying sensor functionality.
Once you've reconfigured the sensor, it's important to verify its functionality. This step ensures that the sensor is communicating with the ADT system and performing its intended tasks effectively. You can do this by testing the sensor in the same way you would when initially setting it up. For example, if it's a motion sensor, walk in front of it to ensure it triggers the appropriate alarms or notifications. By testing the sensor, you can confirm that it's functioning correctly and providing the expected level of security. That wraps up our discussion on what happens after you reset your ADT sensor. Remember that resetting a sensor removes any previous customizations and requires reconfiguration to restore its functionality within your ADT security system. Once you've completed the reset and reconfiguration, make sure to verify the sensor's functionality through testing. If you encounter any issues during the process, reach out to ADT support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.